Yiso lesi isiqubulo esisha sokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo esethulwe yi-IEC namhlanje, kanti uSayi Mabolo uthi le nhlangano ihlose ukuheha intsha njengoba isibalo sabavoti abasebasha sabasincane kakhulu ngokhetho olwedlule.
The logo and the tagline, it's a product of a research that was done with young persons. It is very young, it's fresh, and it's trying to appeal to the personal agency of all the voters, because it's about personal agency in the sense that you get up, you prepare yourself, you go, and you go to flags, in a sense, because that's what young people are saying to us. They see their vote as a flag.
uMamabolo uthi nakuba kuzoqashwa abantu abangu-70,000 asebenolwazi lweminyaka eyisishiyagalombili lokwenza umsebenzi wokuqhuba lolu khetho ngendlela efanele, intsha ayizukuvalelwa ngaphandle.
Our approach this time round is to place a greater premium on 8 years experience. Of course, it does not mean that it is all gloom and doom in respect of the youth and persons who are unemployed. We will bring them in other staff categories that are available at the voting station.
Bayizinkulungwane eziyikhulu abantu abazongenela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo.
We anticipate that we will likely surpass the 100,000 mark in terms of prospective candidates for the elections. In the corresponding elections in 2021, the number of candidates was 95,000.
uMamabolo namhlanje uphinde wamemezela nezinhlelo abaphezu kwazo ukuze bahehe intsha ukuba ivote kulolu khetho okubalwa kuzo ukuhambela izikole kanye nezikhungo zemfundo ephakeme.